Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about iterator. So what iterator does is, it gonna take every iteration and print the value of it if you want to then. So this is what iterator does, and the initial value of that is of the entries method. So this is what it gonna do. So I'm gonna you know create a val of map1 equals new, use a new operator, and map. After that, what we're gonna do is create map1 dot site and pass a string of 0, not O. After that, foo, and then I'm gonna pass map1 dot site pass 1 comma bar. So what we do is, when you do that, it's gonna say the what iteration you need. So and I'm gonna create a new variable called iterator. Iterator1 is to be specific, equals map1, and like the array, how we can access array, this time we will access the map by using that method and pass iterator. Keep in mind though, it's iterator, only iterator, not iterator1 or something. So iterator, and after that use the function calling method, syntax, and use a for loop to print everything, like use the let item of iterator 1. And now what we're gonna do is, after that, what we're gonna do is log it on a console and item. So now it's gonna print each iteration like this. So this is the things you don't know, maybe, that the iteration all will be in the array shape. So this is what it does. So I hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next tutorial.